Hello and welcome to this video. I'm DC Rap, and today let me share with you 4 things you need to do in starting your fitness journey. Starting with having the right mindset, where there are 2 questions to be asked. One is why? Why do you want to start this fitness journey anyway? There's a lot of reasons you can come up with, but here's one that works for everyone. That we want to hold ourselves a higher standard. Second question is what? It's not about setting specific goals like losing 50 pounds or gaining a lot of muscle, but it's asking yourself, what kind of person do you want to become? Some time ago, I saw this video where there were 2 guys about 70 years old doing calisthenics, planches and more on the barracks. Then I thought to myself, I want to be like them when I grow old. I want to be more healthy and fit at that age compared to how I am now. And with that we are to make the pursuit of health and fitness a lifestyle rather than just a program within a week, or a month. Be intentional in living a lifetime of growth and improvement. Next thing to do is to have the right eating habit. Many may misunderstand the word diet, thinking that it's sacrificing the things you enjoy eating. Rather, what diet means is having a system of how and what we eat. Generally, you need to bring your consumption of sugar, saturated fat and processed foods down to even less than the minimum. On the contrary, we need a good amount of protein for muscle development, fiber for proper digestion, and a bit of caffeine for boosting metabolism. Third on our list is to have the right sleep. Sleep is equally important as food in giving the body proper recovery and absorption of nutrients. Sleep varies with people who work at night, but having enough sleep in their rest time is crucial. Last but not the least is exercise. First is you need to take at least 30 minutes every day in doing it. 30 minutes seems simple, and doing it at home makes it more achievable. In doing so, creates a great impact on the long run as you develop discipline and consistency. For the kind of exercise, you can start by learning to do HIIT, or high-intensity interval training. This kind of workout is good for your cardiovascular system, which improves the efficiency of your blood circulation and breathing. HIIT also builds up your relative strength, which is in relation to our body weight. Explosive strength for explosive power released almost instantly, and endurance strength to maintain your peak performance longer. Another good benefit of HIIT workout is for fat burning. For those who cannot do HIIT workouts for now, can begin with some jogging and some shadow boxing, for example. The important thing about exercise is to grow in discipline and consistency. So before we wrap up, I'd like to thank you for sticking with me this far. Please do leave a comment for any questions or suggestions you have in mind. I'd love to hear from you and help you any way I can. It means so much from you hitting that like and subscribe button, and also share this video, because it really helps to reach more people and help them start their fitness journey. Again, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.